I'm interior designer Shayla Copas. I'm best known for creating spaces that mix Southern tradition with a little bit of Old Hollywood style. Follow along as I make over my clients' spaces with a little Southern hospitality and just the right amount of sparkle. So Sarah, we're excited about your project. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Oh, Shayla, I'm excited to have you guys. I have just moved into a condo, and as you know, I'm an artist, and my lifestyle is extremely crazy and busy. And I need a master bedroom that takes me away from my hectic life. I can close my door to my bedroom and close off everything.
Tell us about your color palette. Do you like the color palette that we've presented, or do you want to go in a different direction?
Love it. I love the bold
Great.
colors. As you can see, I mean,
Yeah.
more color, the better.
So tell us about storage. Is there a need for storage?
Oh yes, I need places for purses and shoes and clothes and all kinds of things.
So we feel like we're on track, and we're excited to tackle your project. Oh, wow.
These would provide a lot of storage. Do you think they would be a consideration?
You know, Erica, I love them and I like the detail. However, I think that they're just a little heavy for the room. I think we should go with open shelving. I think it's time that we find a bed.
Yeah, I'm thinking something luxurious, like this 4-poster bed right here. It has that tufting. I mean, that's very luxurious.
I love the tufting and I also love the finish on it, but not for this project. I really think we need to go more glam. I think we need a gold finish. What do you think?
I agree. Let's go find it. Sarah needs some extra seating in her room.
I think the ottomans would work nicely.
Oh, yes.
I love these. I love the pattern. And you know, we are mixing patterns in the room because it's on trend right now.
Yes.
So I think we should take them.
That's a great pattern. Let's do it.
Shayla, oh my goodness. This is beautiful. The colors, the textures. I mean, you did everything wonderful. This is exactly my dream.
I am so glad that
Oh my
you
gosh,
like
this
it.
absolutely feels like home. I love this bed.
Well, we really felt like we brought out your artistic background with a large floral print that looks like a watercolor, and then we mixed texture and pattern and color, all the punches, and then layered it. I really feel it's like a painting.
Tell me about these wonderful ottomans.
Well, they're functional and fabulous. A place to put on your shoes in the morning or to pack your suitcase. But what we're even more excited about is the mixture of patterns, such as in the chair. It's very on trend to mix pattern and color and big, bold punches.
What is that?
We were so excited when we found that piece. Not only is it beautiful, it's functional. With all of the storage and with finished interior, which is a sign of a well-made piece. And then we mixed the creams in the room with the white so that it wouldn't be so stark. It made it warm and inviting, just exactly what you wanted. We've mixed metals in the room with the side chest, with the silver hardware and the gold on the bed. And to top it all off, these fabulous velvet hand-painted drapes. They're artistic and elegant, just like you.